Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Arif Riziq Putra, and in this video I will show you guys how to build a PC. The components we need is processor, RAM, motherboard, power supply, solid state drive, hard disk drive, case, processor fan cooler, thermal paste, SATA cable, and graphic card. And the tool we need is only a screwdriver. First, install the processor. Open the processor socket on the motherboard, then align the processor with the socket and gently place it in. After that, apply a small amount of thermal paste on top of the processor, and then attach the processor fan, cooler, and secure the cooler on top of the processor. After that, insert the RAM into the RAM slots on the motherboard. Next, install the motherboard into the case. Align the motherboard with the standoff in the case and screw it using the screwdriver. Then, install the power supply into the case and connect the power cables from the power supply to the motherboard. Next, install the SSD and HDD into the case. And connect the SATA cables from the drives to the motherboard. And also connect the power cables from the power supply to the drive. Next, insert the graphic card into the PCIe slot on the motherboard. And then secure it with a screw. After all components are connected, close the case side panels. And finally, just connect your PC to your monitor and turn it on. And that's it. I hope this video really helped you build your own PC. Enjoy your new setup, have fun exploring what you can do. I'm Muhammad Arif Riziq Putra. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.